This is how far AI has come. AI can generate this in just some few words in some few seconds. For some years now, AI has been threatening to replace designers, photographers, and much more. But this time around, it's more scarier than before. Some days ago, OpenAI updated their ChatGPT, and now the ChatGPT-4o image generation is insane. I have watched many creators use this ChatGPT create amazing stuff, but I wanted to try it myself, and the results blew my mind. So after watching the other creators, I decided to test it myself. So I went to Pinterest and then searched for vegetables. So I went to the images and then I saw this particular one, and I uploaded it into the ChatGPT, and then I added a prompt to add some things around it, and this was the first result. So after this, I thought like, oh, then it can do better. So I told it to add some bit of cream and chocolate cream around it, and this was the final result. Charlie, you see, one thing about this update is that if you are a fan of AI, or let's say if you have been using AI to create images with text, you bear with me that for some years now, AI has been struggling to display text. That is, if you type, let's say coffee, or let's say if you type going, or let's say if you type Braintech, it is going to display something that you don't even understand. But this time around, you can see by yourself the vegetables. Okay, for the first one, I can see that the vegetables, it repeated the B. But if you had a premium version, I don't think you will get that kind of error, because for the creator I watched, everything that he did was just perfect because he was using the premium. But I don't know, as for mine, I was not using the premium, so that may be the reason why I got that glitch in there. But notwithstanding, this thing is far updated. If you use AIs like Grok, Gemini, and others, they are still struggling with fonts. But this time around, ChatGPT image generator has nailed it, and then it's working perfectly with a typeface. For my account, it was limited, that is, it was free, so I didn't have the capacity to generate more images. But let me use this creator for instance. He did a lot of examples with this AI. He uploaded images of his products, wrote some prompts, and then he turned it to something else. Let me just take you through. First of all, what this creator did was that he took a picture of a product that he is using, and then he downloaded an inspiration from Pinterest. And then with the inspiration, what he did was that he told the ChatGPT to replace the image in the inspiration with his image. I don't know if you get me. This is what I mean. So this is the image of his screen, and then this is what he downloaded from Pinterest. He told the ChatGPT to replace this image with the one he took, and this was the result. That is mind-blowing. As you can see, everything is detailed. When you zoom in, you can see that the text and everything is detailed. And it's not just that, they added some text around it, that is hydrate and suit dry. With this poster alone, it has replaced photographers and then designers, because first of all, photographers will take a picture of this cream and then send it to designers for designers to make it look perfect for commercials. But this time around, the ChatGPT did everything with just some simple words and then some few minutes. AI is improving. Now let's go to the next thing he did. So the next thing is that he took a picture of his peak powdered milk, and then he downloaded an inspiration from Pinterest, and then this was the result. This is even more detailed. You can see how the AI added the ladder and all that. Now let's look at some other things. So this one is a perfume. So he took a picture of this perfume, and then he downloaded this from Pinterest for the AI to do what he has been doing with it, that is replace the image that is in the inspiration with the image that he took. So this was the result. Let's check something here. As you can see, the real photo that he took was straight, but look at what the AI did. The AI made sure that the photo he took matched exactly the product that is on a commercial. Originally, the commercial was tilted a bit, so the AI tilted the straight picture like this. Like, it is mind-blowing. Like, how? He also used the AI to use a particular font that you upload to write some particular thing that he wanted to write. So this is what I mean. He uploaded this image for the AI to use this kind of font to write something that he typed for the AI, and this was the result. The AI did just that. Well designed, well placed, and everything was intact. That is not the only thing he did. He also used the AI to create 3D assets, and this was the result. So he uploaded this burger, and then he told the AI to create plantain and all that from that, and that was the result. One funny thing is that he told the AI to create fufu, and this is what he did. You see, the AI created the fufu and then placed the fufu in a bowl, and then he placed the bowl that the fufu is inside in another soup, and he told the AI to remove the fufu from the soup and then put the fufu raw inside the soup, and this was the result. AI is improving, and we must be afraid. Honestly, that was not just all. What he did also was that he took a mocha that is in a dark mode, and then he told the AI to turn it from dark mode to light mode. So this was the mockup he sent to the AI, and this was what the AI gave me. Like, everything is on point. This is massive. This is a very huge update for the AI. Over 80% of you guys have not subscribed to the channel. Please do well to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying my content. Now, with all this said, what should designers do, or let's say what should photographers also do? Well, there's one thing that sets you apart as a designer. That is your creativity. So if you are creative at what you do, no one can take it from you, and then AI cannot be creative as you do. So that creativity of yours cannot be taken away, and AI cannot replace that. So what you have to do now is that you have to sharpen your creativity and make it a top-notch one, so that what you will create will differ from what AI will create, and that will enable you to survive in this hard times. And the most important thing is that as designers, or let's say as photographers, we need to learn how to use the AI very well. We have to learn how to use the AI and then master it. As they say, AI will replace designers who do not use AI, but AI cannot replace designers who use AI. That alone must sink in. So master AI, sharpen your creativity, and that will be an advantage for you. Now, if you want to learn how to design really fast, click on this video right now. Until next time, guys, quench not your creativity. Peace.